CarboFix review. Is this supplement legit? Welcome to my CarboFix review. Is the CarboFix supplement legit or scam? Is CarboFix pills a reliable weight loss product? Is CarboFix yet another overhyped diet supplement? Or is CarboFix carbohydrate management pills the genuine weight loss miracle you've been waiting for? Find out everything you need to know about Gold Vida's CarboFix review. CarboFix is a nutritional supplement from Matt Stirling that claims to help manage carbohydrate metabolism and induce weight loss by activating AMPk activated protein kinase. By taking the CarboFix supplement daily, you can purportedly start losing weight within just 72 hours, then turn into a whole new person within 30 days by activating the genetic master switch for metabolism. The CarboFix is the only all-natural 6-ingredient blend in the world that help activate AMPk to target unexplained weight gain, excess belly fat and uncontrollable hunger. You can request a complete refund within 60 days and receive all your money back, minus shipping costs, $9.95 per order. If you ordered multiple bottles of CarboFix, then you can keep the open bottles and return any unused bottles to receive a complete refund. More details and purchase link in the description below this video.